we're gonna go try to start the town car again. It's been on the charger because it died. So, let's open this up. Still charging, but it should be better than it was because it's on 2 amp. It's a little bit faster. Charger just turn off. Okay, well, it probably does that when you're cranking on it. Probably because it's automatic. It's still not starting. But it might be a fuse, I'm not sure. But I heard it clicking, so I have a feeling it's the pump. Yeah, the Suburban. It's still dripping fuel. It's been dripping longer than 24 hours. So, it's not even, I think it's almost done by now. Pretty strong smell. Might put this on the charger next just because it was a little low. Number 22. Well, they're numbered, so. I wonder if Grandpa has little tweezers.
Doesn't matter, it's not bad. You can see.
Huh? Alright, we're gonna let it charge probably overnight, I bet.